Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font style on your Wattpad story. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Wattpad. After opening our Wattpad application, here will be on the home page. Here on the home page below, you'll be able to see various options. On the fourth option, you'll be able to see a pen icon that you'll have to tap on. After tapping on the pen icon, here on the first option, you'll be able to see create a new story. Tap on the first options, that is create a new story. After that, here you can add your cover and your story title and your story description. Here for now, I will be skipping this part, but you'll have to type your story title and your story description. After that, here we'll write the title of your stories part. After you're done writing your title, you'll have to start writing your description. After you're done writing your description, you'll have to select the entire description. And on the below, you'll be able to see a font icon that is written in capital letter A. Here you'll have to tap on it. After that, here you can change your font style into 3 styles. You can either make your alphabets bold, italic, or underline. And just like that, you only have 3 options when it comes to fonts for your story. Now, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to change font in Wattpad stories. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.